Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you are getting informative videos on our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, so that you do not miss the latest videos. In this video, I will show you how to set up the TP-Link RE550 Wi-Fi range extender using the manual method. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak in some parts of your home, the TP-Link RE550 Wi-Fi extender can help. Basically, the TP-Link RE550 AC1900 Wi-Fi range extender is a device designed to boost and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal to areas where the connection is weak. Follow these simple step-by-step instructions to extend your Wi-Fi signal and improve coverage in your home or office.
So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process.
Firstly, unbox the extender box. The TP-Link RE550 AC1900 Wi-Fi range extender box usually includes the Wi-Fi range extender device and a quick installation guide to help you set it up easily. Some packages may also include warranty information or a quick setup leaflet. Everything is designed so you can quickly plug in the extender and start the setup process. Now plug the TP-Link RE550 extender into a wall power outlet near your router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds for the power LED to turn solid.
Open Wi-Fi settings on phone/laptop. Connect to Wi-Fi name like TP-Link_Extender or TP-Link_RE315. No password needed first time. Open browser, Chrome, Edge, etc. In address bar type, http://tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254. Press enter. First time setup will ask to create admin password. Enter new password or confirm password. Click Start. Remember this password for future login. Extender will search nearby Wi-Fi networks. Wait for scan list. Select your router Wi-Fi name. Click Next. Choose correct band, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. If your Wi-Fi not showing, move extender closer, refresh list or check router on. Now extender needs router password. Type Wi-Fi password carefully. Click Next. Wrong password means setup fail. Some important tips: check capital letters. Remove extra space. You can keep same Wi-Fi name or change. Example: Home Wi-Fi _ext. Edit name if needed. Click Next. Keeping same name helps seamless roaming. You will see summary. Check Wi-Fi name password. Click Save/Apply. Extender will reboot. Wait 2 minutes. After reboot, open Wi-Fi settings. Connect to new Wi-Fi name. Enter router password. Internet should work now. Now unplug and place extender halfway between router and weak area. Best placement tips is not too far from router. Avoid walls, metal or keep in open area. Setup complete. Your Wi-Fi signal is now extended.
I hope you like this video. If you're stuck in middle of the setup process, then don't panic, feel free to contact our professional experts at 132350733713. Our experts team will solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for the more informative videos.